Hi, I'm Rani. This is my ninth experiment in the technology, and this is the source code for the AngularJS, and under this app is called Angular module and the registration, and the controller is equal to register controller, and the function is $scope, and we process the script. Then we created the body tag as the end app is equal to registration and the style is color. Then the form is ng controller is equal to register controller, and the name is equal to register form. The heading is user registration form, and we created the table to align the name and the areas, what to say, the text area neatly. So we can use this table, and the tier that it's created to the row. The style is equal to width 35, and the label for the name, and the name is the span, the color, the red. In that names tag, the input is equal to the type text, and the model is equal to name. Also the id is equal to name, the name is equal to, as well as it shows the name, and the only we required is the pattern is and small letter A to Z, and the upper class A to Z, and the numbers. And these are the another spam tag we used it, and for the style is the color, and it shows that the name is required for the for that it shows like that whenever we didn't type any name, it shows only that a name is required. Whenever the input the name is wrong, it shows that a name is invalid. And this another table rows to get a gap, and the another is it's the password, and it's also the same as the before. And if the name is called the password and the id is equal to the password, if the password is not is typed, it shows the password is required. Whenever the password is wrong, it shows the password is invalid. Then we created this tr that tag for given to this space, and the another row is for the age. Then that age is if that's the type is equal to number, model is age, and the id is also age, that it shows the name as age. The required minimum is 18 and the max is 35. So if that age is maximum above 30 or the below 85, it shows the age is invalid, or else that the given input is name age isn't correctly typed, it also says that age is invalid. And if that age is not typed, it shows the age is required. Then it's also like that in the mobile number is that's in the same case, and the email, that's also the same case. The type is email, model is also email, the id is also email, then the name is also email required, and that color is email is required when the email is not typed. And ng, it shows that register form, that email format, and the gender, it's in the like option tag. Whenever that gender is the name and gender, and the value is male, the id is also gender, and the required is a male, and the radio it's the button engine model, and it's gender, the name is also gender, the value is equal to female. Whenever it shows the like the button like a female, and it shows the gender is required. Whenever we didn't select any gender, then it shows the state wherever we live. It's in the options like Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, and the Karnataka. And we can use this style span tag for the style. Whenever we didn't select any state, it shows that state is required. And there's a input button, there's a submit, then it's the ng disabled, that's we can, if we all are not equal, it doesn't actually accept any. Whenever all are correct, it accepts the inputs for, then we can see our output. These are our registration form. Then my name is Ranley, and my password is some secret password, and my age is 19, and my mobile number is 637986159, and my email ID and my gender and the state. Yeah. When I will submit, yeah, it accepts it. And my second question is about to create the create that links. That's the there are how to take us to another web page. And these are all are the same before the script function, and the app is equal to Angular module my app, and the app.config is the function that route provider. We use this route to get that page to another link, so we can use this route provider. Whenever the register in the template URL is the registration.html, or when when we click that URL dot currency hr, and the BMI, the template URL is BMI HTML, and the car is the template URL is electric cars HTML. Otherwise, it directed to no other, and the script is enough. So we can close the script and close that head. We create a body tag, as we also type as the ng app is equal to my app. Then the table self spacing for the comfort spacing areas, and the border is equal to 0, width is equal to 100, and the style is the background is gray color, and the reference of the first registration forms reference anchor tag reference, and the currency converters reference link, and the BMI link, and this for the anchor tag for the car. We can see our output. Yeah, these are our output. This is our registration form. I input some name and my email ID. It takes as to submit, and these are the currency converter. Convert the values 20 US dollar to Indian rupee, and these are the values. Then BMI calculator, yeah, weight is 67 and the height is 168. Value is underweight, and the electric car. These are the page, yeah. So if we click that, then it also get to the home page. Yeah, these are the 8th experiment. Sorry, 9th experiment.